Hello everybody. I'd like to take you along for a little project that I've been doing. I've been milling lumber with an Alaskan chainsaw mill. So I'm going to take you through that process so you can get a better idea of what's going on. I've been out here for about a month and 7-8 days now, and this is how I'm spending some of my time. So let me take you along through this process and I'll show you how it's done. First thing you have to do is you have to build this guide rail system that mounts on the top of a log, and that's what the lumber maker runs on top of. And this is just to get your first cut. After you get the first cut, you can then use the flat surface that you just milled as your guide from then on out. Go ahead and show you some pieces that I've already milled. And these are 2-inch slabs that I'm going to be making a kitchen counter out of. A kitchen work surface. What I'm going to do is I'm going to rip them down. They're going to be about 9 inches wide, and legs, the whole deal. But this is the tree that I've got left, and I'm going to go ahead and just take you through this process, and I'll do it as fast as I can, so bear with me. Open as much as I can at the right angle, so you guys can see what I'm doing. So, like I said, first of all, you've got to get a guide system down, and that's going to be this. And what you do is you basically screw this down onto the top of the log to secure it. Okay, now that that is done, we are ready to begin. And what we're basically looking at here, guys, is this is an attachment that fits onto basically large scale chainsaws. You basically want to be above 50 cc's. This one's right at around 49. It's a little underpowered, but you know what? It's been getting the job done, so it is what it is. So let me give you a quick look at what that is. And basically, it is basically just an attachment that fits onto your chainsaw, clamps onto it. It's basically just a guide rail system, and it needs a flat surface to run on, hence the guide rail that I just put onto the log. So let's go ahead and get this going, and I'll show you how it works. left with, by the way, sorry for all the camera jumping around there a minute ago. And what you're left with, guys, is a flat surface that the mill can now run on without that guide system. So, that's basically what I've been doing for the last hour or so. And basically making some great boards, man. So now the mill can just run on top of that, no longer need that guide rail. And those are the boards that I've cut so far. I'm cutting them in 2-inch slabs. I want a pretty thick and hardy kitchen work surface. So, yeah, just getting it done today, man. And as you can see, I mean, these things are pretty thick. Good Alaskan spruce. So, alright guys, I know I'm a little fuzzy in the face, but I am in Alaska, so give me a little leeway there. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I'll bring you along for some of my other adventures. Stay tuned, and hope to see you guys soon.